Hi guys! So today we are building houses. So for me, on my screen is a kawaii house. And for mine is all brown, I think so. Brown or gray. Yeah. So I'm a white thing, of course. Or white. So we are making some houses, underground houses. Yes, because we like to do it. Because it was so easy to do here. And guys, I think I am good at ang tawag dun guys, redstone. Now, because I just made this. You can flip the switch and it pushes the stairs. We never try. Guys, ano nangyayari sa kanya? Nagiging cringe girl. You guys, anyway, so gumagawa ko ng closet. Si Beshi ay naggagawa ng floor. So guys, alam ko na makikita niyo yung redstone pagtapos. Guys, tapos na ako dito sa sa floor. Tapos sa walls naman ako. Sige. Kayo guys, ano kayo? Ako, nagbe-build pa din. Sige. Ulo? Yung narinig ako dito, ulo din. So, nanonood kami ng Showtime. Guys. Guys, ang hirap talaga gumawa ng dito. No! Nasira ko. She just broke it. Yeah. You guys can see it. And this is gonna be another video. Oh no! Oh wait, no, you guys. Never mind. So it's gonna take a long one. So you can skip or you can 2 times it. So yeah. Meanwhile, just listen to Beshi. Ikaw. So guys, si Isa, wish niya ito si Baki. Hindi, English mo. Her wish list is Baki. Yes, from Christmas party. Yeah. Because Boxy is from Linky Box and I love Linky Box. Me too. But I don't watch it. But I like Boxy. So you guys, I'm making something that pushes some stairs. Oh no. You mean all of these? No. Okay. So, there. I made it. Now, you guys, we are done. So, if you go sa ginagawa ko. Ba't sabi mo where? Right. I am done. So, right here, you have, I have a cluster right here, and when you push this, so guys, mine is night, so I will gonna sleep first because very soon game. Because why not? So I'm just gonna add some light. Oh, big mine ko ng apple. So guys, it's raining to my server. I don't know why. Then don't go outside. But I'm building. Hindi ka naman nagdi-build sa labas. May i-build din ako mamaya din. Mamaya yun eh. May. So, ayun guys, change ko na ng weather. Magamit yung shot saka yung weather. Nakakagita. Hey, you! I think they're gonna see. Hindi? Stay there. So there, we have this. If you want to get a closer look, you can turn this and open it up. Actually, you guys, so like right here. So guys, sa closet na ako. You can get in here. Wait a second. Am I dumb? Oh, I think you just said some bad words. No. The bad word yun. What am I doing? So here, I can't believe I did this for nothing. But that's fine. I could just, wait, guys. Okay. So guys, I think I did something wrong. So I'm just gonna make it look better. So guys, I'm making some other room. It's not closet, but it looks like closet, but it's in other room. Okay, so I'm very, very disappointed in myself because I did something for nothing. This is so sad. I can't. I have to delete some stuff. This part could probably be a storage room. But anyway, we're just gonna add some barrels right here. Okay. And here we just have to cover this up. And then we just have to... Oh my gosh! I'm so disappointed. So yourself. Yeah. I don't know what am I doing. But I trust the process, guys. Maybe later this will look much better. To be honest. Anyway. So we will add some levers to the sticky piston side of the... I can see. It's not even turning on. Yeah, so guys, I did another mistake. So I'm just gonna be basic with this. I don't care anymore. I don't need this sticky piston. I'm just so disappointed in myself. I am so disappointed. Anyway. Oh, I'm just making it like this. Then I'll just add some doors. Cherry door. And put it here. Okay. So I'm done with this super basic but very very sad traumative door. I mean classes. Anyway, see guys. Since my storage is gonna get low, bye. 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 Bye.